October empties. I had 28 products to finish for the rest of this year. Let's see how I have done in October. One little perfume, Calvin Klein, Defy. It is. I didn't really like it. I thought it was. Yeah, it's not my thing, people. It is an EDP, not an EDT. Won't be repurchasing. Cleanser, Innisfree Beach Out Trouble Cleansing Gel. As you know, that I've been a bit acne. Despite calling this a gel, it is more of a fast cleanser. It removes makeup. I will be repurchasing this eventually because, when I have trouble like the spots, first of all, I traveled. So it's been a month now and I've got a bit of acne because, I get acne each time I travel. Secondly, I've dislocated my thumb. So doing my skincare routine and, my makeup and cleansing and everything, it's not the same thing with one hand. So, yeah, there are a few breakouts now. So this one, I feel it helped. It's a nice cleanser for when you have trouble, for when you have breakouts. So I will be repurchasing this eventually. Next, because of the acne, I used the Maison AHA 8% skin peeling serum. That is like that. And you do this, oh dear, my hand hurts. And then you open it like that and apply. As you can see, it's all gone. So I use this as a spot treatment for my breakouts and I think it's really helped. I won't be repurchasing this because I have other acid products which work better for me. Now, because of the trouble, I also used up the LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Gel Mask, which is a very, you apply a very thin layer, and I actually had a cooling effect. I was expecting a burn. No, I actually had a cooling effect. And then you rinse it off. Yeah, I liked it. Won't be repurchasing it because there are lots and lots of other masks to use up. Yeah, that's what it is like, all gone, as you can see there. This actually came in an LMS kit that I bought, a holiday gift set, I think a couple of years ago, from Look Fantastic, somebody who had an offer. There was something else that came with purchase of the kit free. So, the value was very, very good. Serum, Drunk Elephant, TLC, Framboose. I know it's only a sample, but all gone, as you can see there. Disclaimer, I didn't like this. It didn't feel like a serum. It felt like a gel. I don't think it did anything much. I don't think it is as effective as the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta peels or anything. Not my favorite product. It didn't feel serum-like at all. Serum should be satisfying and serum-like. You should feel that you're applying something that's treatment-ish. That's your serum stuff. This one didn't float my boat. Won't be repurchasing. Another one that I got actually in an advent calendar, I think it was, or a gift with purchase from Guerlain. This is the Guerlain Midnight Secret Late Night Recovery Treatment. Completely disagree with what it says. I think it's just plain hydration. It is moisturizing. It's a moisturizing product, but it isn't, late night recovery treatment as such. At least not for me. I didn't, feel that it did anything. So I won't be repurchasing this. I think this was a gift with purchase from Guerlain. So this is actually a generous 15 mils of product, which is why I keep reiterating to you lot, don't pay for samples or minis or deluxe sizes or any of those things. 15 mils free with purchase. Buy full sizes. Get these things free. Eye cream. Oh my god. This came in a Fortnum & Mason advent calendar and it costs an absolute bomb. Lucia Magnani eye cream. The packaging looks like that. I'm going to be keeping the packaging. Hang on, let me try and open this to show you a lot with one hand. Yeah, all gone, as you can see there. And there was no fragrance or anything to it. I don't know if it actually has made a difference in my under eye area. I didn't think my under eye area needs much work. I mean, it does, but then I have allergies and I don't, I read a lot at night. So because of this, I do have some dark circles and my eyes are naturally deep set. So, and no eye cream on earth is going to tackle allergic dark circles or deep set eyes. So I don't really expect, the earth from these products. But, as an eye cream, it was, nice to use, kind of feel good. There was joy in this. It sparked joy. But I won't be repurchasing this because of the price. No way. Bath and Body next. There are two products that I used. One is a mini. Let's get that out of the way. The almond milk concentrate from L'Occitane. Really nice. Smells good. I love the almond range from L'Occitane. I have a full size. The next one was the Chorus Calming and Cooling Gel. I've had a bit of urticaria flare-ups recently, and this one was a nice soothing cooling product from Chorus, but I won't be repurchasing this. This came in a beauty box from somewhere. I think it was Bath and Unwind. I won't be repurchasing this, and the reason is that it contains yogurt, and I'm trying to avoid dairy in my life altogether. because it came in a box, I used it up instead of throwing it away. That's all. Hair care is next. A Bramley conditioner. This came in the Fortnum Mason Advent calendar from a couple of years ago. Wasn't a fan. Contains lemon, mandarin and rosemary essential oils. I felt it was very heavy and weighed my hair down, but what didn't weigh my hair down and what I liked using was the Authentic Beauty Concept Replenish Mask. There was just about enough for my hair after cutting it. If I had my, really long waist length hair, this wouldn't have worked at all. This would have probably covered just about this part. And that is despite, me not using masks here, on the roots and everything, just on the ends, on the length. It smells amazing, this product. It was very hydrating and soothing and smoothing, and I would love to repurchase this. Let me just try and explore, Black Friday deals or something, if there's a full size and what the full size is. This came in last year's Cohorted Beauty Advent Calendar. I loved using it. There was just enough for one use with my shorter hair. So 11 products used up in October. That leaves me with 17 products to use up for the rest of this year. That means I have 8 products to use up in 1 month and 9 products. 9 products in the second month. 8 and 9 products in 2 months to use up. Let's see if I will get there. Do stay tuned to find out. Do let me know what you have used up this month. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.